Deep left center field. On the run is Dominguez, and he can't make the play. It's up against the wall. Backing up is Bellinger. He's going to fire it in. They're going to try to make the play at home. The throw is in time. They get Beatty trying to score. A perfect relay by the Yankees.
Well, I tell you, the relay happened when Cody Bellinger went in front and got an unbelievable carom off the wall and then got it into Volpe. I'm sure there's going to be a replay, but we can watch it here and see if he got him before. He's out. I don't think you can.
The pitch. Ground ball. Backhanded line by LeMahieu. To first. Got him. Got him. What a play on both ends. As the Yankees get out of the top of the 7th inning.
How many challenges do we have here? I don't think you can.
DJ from yesteryear. Look. The pitch.